Philosophers in Chinese classics, and my specialty is in Zhang Zai, Song Ming. And why do I do Zhang Zai? I don't know if you know anything about it, but so I'm predicting the future, but I am also making the market. I am creating the market. But it's like, who's lucky and who's not? Why do we have to go into fortune telling? Because you need to be lucky. So you're not going to know everything about the classics, but you will learn about leadership and the classics and what aspects of the classics can show you about the leadership. Crossing the cultural divide is a very difficult and brave thing, but we need to do it, right? So it's like, diving or, nobody caring? Who cares? No. You're all structured? Yeah. Don't care? Wow, this flow is very bad. That's why it's so bad. This flow is so bad. After they raise the money, okay, this is the initial beginning. And then here, they did all. The reason I run these programs, it's actually like some people, like my husband, he likes to make videos. You're going to see it during the break. Some people like to read a book. Some people like to do it. I like to run human dynamic workshops and laboratory. This 30 days for you. Every 30 days I do this. It's a lot of work for me, but it's a laboratory for you to know yourself. Actually pretty similar. Because nobody reinvents the wheel, right? But the topic that I talked about, different personalities, where this is both levels to be sitting together to make the decision, because the managers will always refer back to the manual. They are paid to run the system the way that the manual tells them to do it. And I hope you all the success. I will be sorry not to see your faces again, but I hope that 后会有期. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Okay, second. Stop.